creating a distance you never asked for.
I want to understand,
I want to believe, but our steps are always in opposite directions. If we part ways today, I hope you know my heart still loves you secretly. Even though it's hard to know you completely, you've changed my life, even if only for a moment. And if we don't meet tomorrow, I'll say thank you, even though we're apart so soon.